We did have our first question come in, and it's asking whether RFPs for a woman-owned small business have substantive differences or distinctions that the company should be aware of. And I think it's a good question. It ties back into that compliance element that I originally talked about. And the answer is no. There's not, for set-aside program contracting, other than the requirement that you are what you say you are. So the question here presupposes that you're a woman-owned small business, but within the regulations, there are some very specific definitions, terms of art, whatever word you want to use, that define what it means to be a woman-owned small business. It's highlighted by ownership and control. Ownership is generally pretty easy to figure out at 51%, but it's really that control piece that can trip people up. And then tying it back into the False Claims Act, you see all the time people rung up for small business subcontracting fraud for holding themselves out to be a small business when they're not. So I don't want to get too off on a tangent here. We're not here to cover set-aside programs, but I do think it's important to know that an RFP for a woman-owned small business, the one thing it does do very differently is require you to be woman-owned. So